How to heal varicose veins with tomatoes. According to a survey conducted in Mumbai, quite 7% of the adults suffer from varicose veins. The percentage indicates the urgency of the matter and therefore the importance of understanding the medical condition, its symptoms and therefore the appropriate treatment option. You can avail the foremost appropriate option as long as you're fully conscious of the severity of the condition and therefore the different treatment options available. The veins that are large, swollen and feels lumpy when touched in your legs are varicose veins. The severity of the condition depends on the distinctive color the veins show. If the veins are just blue and not itchy, the condition are often cured using some holistic methods. But if the veins have turned purplish, things has aggravated and requires some medical help. Also read, varicose veins, how does the pain feel and the way to urge relief? Tomatoes can provide some relief. Tomatoes have healing properties. There's a compound within the flesh also because the seeds which act as an anticoagulant that dilutes the blood and prevents the pooling of the blood. Additionally to the acid, the tomatoes have flavonoids that helps to strengthen the walls of the blood vessels. Below mention are 5 major benefits of tomatoes that make them play a serious role in curing varicose veins. 5 advantages of tomatoes in curing varicose veins. Natural. As tomatoes are an all-natural product, it doesn't react to the body negatively. Rather than taking many medicines and pills, this is often a perfect solution for those that are trying to find a seamless and safe solution. Although studies suggest that the permanent method to cure varicose veins is injecting chemicals, it's not the safest option available. Using tomatoes and its juices on the affected veins are more helpful. Fast. There is nothing worse than the discomfort caused by the varicose veins. So it's quite normal if you're trying to find a situation that's fast. The pain and itching cease your regular way of living. A great thanks to get to rock bottom and confirm things doesn't worsen is using tomatoes. You'll be ready to see the change in how the veins feel and appear too. If you follow the steps appropriately and feel determined to yield some results, this is often one among the strongest treatment options you'll choose. Preventive in nature. It is prudent to recollect that it's not always about finding a cure. The preventative solutions are equally important. It is not always about concentrating on the short-term effect. A treatment option that just cures the matter for the nonce and doesn't provide permanent relief is an unfortunate one. Tomatoes not only assist you get immediate relief, but it also makes sure the results are long-lasting. Once you're treated with tomatoes, you don't need to worry about its recurrence and bringing your life to a standstill. Simple. The most satisfying part of using tomatoes as a treatment option is its simplicity. It's one among the simplest ways to cure varicose veins. If you decide for variety of treatments all at an equivalent time, not only these are cumbersome, time-consuming, but the dreadfulness of browsing the entire procedure is additionally a waste. So it's better if you avoid this whole process and choose something much simpler. Safe. It is quite natural if you've got this question in your mind: is it safe to use tomatoes on varicose veins? There are several studies which will put your curiosity to rest. The findings of those studies suggest that there's no risk in using tomatoes for curing varicose veins. In worst-case scenarios, you'll just feel a burning sensation that goes away once you wash the affected veins with cold water. Tomatoes are used vastly to enhance the standard of the skin by acting as a cleanser. Varicose veins are removed quickly by performing on the valves that control the blood flow. Guide on the way to use tomatoes to cure the varicose veins. To combat the symptoms of the varicose veins and make them a thing of the past, you employ green or red tomatoes for a couple of seconds. Here's how to use tomatoes to urge relief from these itchy, bulged out veins. Start by washing 2 to 3 tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into rings or slices. Place the rings or slices onto the veins. Hold the rings with an easy bandage of fabric. You'll start to feel a tingling sensation. Remove the rings or slices and wash the veins with cold water. You can use this remedy as repeatedly as you would like throughout the day. But you'll get the simplest results if you employ the tomatoes only 4 to 5 times each day. You will be ready to notice results within 2 weeks, by which you'll see the veins to fade. You'll also start getting relief from the swelling, discomfort and pain. With each passing day, the varicose veins will disappear entirely. In addition to applying tomatoes, there are some home remedies that you simply can attempt to cure varicose veins. The 4 most effective ones are discussed below. 8 home remedies that you simply never imagined could cure varicose veins. Varicose veins are bulged out veins within the legs that turn blue or purplish over time. They majorly develop due to some specific lifestyle habits that affect the blood circulation of those veins. The most common complaint patients affected by varicose veins is serious aesthetic concerns. Hence, people attempt to avoid the conservative surgical method and choose home remedies. The house remedies you'll attempt to cure the condition of varicose veins. Cayenne pepper. This is often an upscale source of vitamin C and bioflavonoid that increases the blood flow also as eases out the pain. Drink a mix of cayenne powder in water 3 times each day to treat the condition. Olive oil. Vegetable oil is essentially want to prevent any inflammation of the body. Hence, mask the skin with vegetable oil to extend circulation and also reduce pain. Use this twice daily regularly for a month to urge the specified results. Garlic. It's known to scale back inflammation also because the symptoms of varicose veins. Garlic breaks up the harmful toxins within the veins and improves circulation. Butcher's broom. This is often a herb want to relieve the ache and discomfort of varicose veins. Witch hazel. It's known to strengthen the blood vessels and reduce the symptoms of varicose veins. Aside from this, these contain essential oils that help to scale back swelling and also ache related to varicose veins. Horse chestnut seeds. This is often an age-old remedy utilized in the treatment of varicose veins. These have anti-inflammatory remedies and therefore the anti-swelling effect that increases venous tone also has reduced the looks of varicose veins. Parsley. Considered as a strong antioxidant, this is often known to be rich in vitamin C and encourages the assembly of collagen. It also helps in cell reproduction and repair. Apple cider vinegar. It's considered as a natural cleansing product. Additionally to the present, they need positive effects on health like antibacterial effect, reduction in vital sign, an antioxidant effect, an anti-diabetic effect, an anti-tumor effect, reduction and prevention of obesity, an anti-hypertensive and cholesterol decreasing effect, a healing effect on injuries, and a positive effect on the brain. Massage this on a day-to-day twice a day before getting to bed also as within the morning. Furthermore, you'll try other holistic remedies like exercising, making dietary changes, using compression stockings, utilizing plant extracts, etc. to cure the condition. Although these natural remedies are often want to cure varicose veins, they take an extended term to supply results. This increases the probabilities of ulcers, blood clots and in severe cases rupture of the vein. Once you visit the doctor, you'll be recommended surgery. Don't worry, like the advancement of technology, you'll get treated for varicose veins with none pain. Do tomatoes really work? The authenticity of using tomatoes for curing varicose veins is questionable. Some people consider it a folk medicine while a number of them consider it a myth. But studies have proven that tomatoes work to cure varicose veins. The thought that how this medicine work is owed to Russian folk. Tomatoes contain a natural compound almost like regular aspirin which acts as a blood thinner and improves blood circulation. Thanks to increased blood flow, the pooled blood within the varicose veins is cleared out, thereby reducing varicose veins. Tomatoes are rich in flavonoids, known to strengthen vessel walls. Stronger blood vessels prevent the pooling of blood. Conclusion: the treatment for varicose veins are often done using slices of tomatoes. There are several benefits of tomatoes that make them one among the foremost preferred treatment options. You can also prevent the condition from getting worse by maintaining healthy vital sign. This will be achieved by following a coffee impact exercise, eating a diet and avoiding foods that increase vital sign. But even after sustained usage of tomatoes, the veins seem to stay unequivalent. Then you want to consider other options like laser treatment. Laser treatment for varicose veins is taken into account because the best treatment option. This is often an easy procedure that involves absolutely no cuts or incisions. This ensures minimum bleeding, which successively promises a faster recovery. The laser-based procedures are performed on an outpatient basis and leave behind no scars. Priston Care Clinics are fully equipped with the newest technology to supply this laser treatment. Contact our medical coordinator today to understand more about laser treatment for varicose veins.